Hey friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to turn a string of text into an array. Here I have two tools modules. The first one is compose a string and the second is set variable. In my first module, I have a string of text here, which is a list of items: apple, banana, pickles, and socks. The goal here is to separate these items so that I can create an array and create individual database items in Notion. My first module to list, and then in my second module, let's rename that to array. And my variable name, we're going to call this shopping list. Now my value, here's where we're going to turn that list into an array. I'm going to go to my text menu here, my text functions, and we're going to use the split function. First, let's place the text before the semicolon. And then following the semicolon, we're going to make how is this list broken up. So my items are separated by commas. So let's put a comma here. If it was separated by spaces, I would come over to my text function. And down here we have my keywords. I can tell it is separated by space, by a tab, by a new line, carriage return. Okay, so let's click OK here. And let's go ahead and run this. So let's open up our bubble for our array, and you can see that I have now a new array called shopping list, and there are all my items. Next, I will need an iterator. So I'm going to break up that array so that I have individual items to add to Notion. And within our iterator, we'll just map over our new shopping list array. Click OK. Now let's go to Notion and get our create a database item module. Within the name field, I'm going to map over the value from my flow control. So this is going to take my list, separate it into an array, take that array, break it down, and create an individual database item for each item on that list. So let's go ahead and run. Okay, you see we created 4 database items, and there they are: socks, pickles, banana, and apples.